Hello, Norwich are playing Southampton tonight in the Carabao Cup, and yeah, as now traditional, we're at a place in Norwich, and I thought Angler Square today. So Angler Square, if you didn't know, it's actually going to be knocked down very soon. In fact, we've got barricades ready. It's almost going to go down. So I think demolition is starting today, but I haven't seen any action. But this is probably the last time we'll see it. Unfortunately, sadly, I actually worked here about 3 years. Anyway, so yeah, Norwich are playing Southampton. I hope we win this one because the last few games have been 2-1, actually 1-2 in that order. We haven't won at home yet, but we won at away. Oh, honestly, we need to sort out our defence, because against Middlesbrough it was very sloppy. Oh dear. Honestly, we basically gifted 2 goals before half time, like it's Christmas presents before December. Honestly, crazy. Anyway, so tonight I reckon this is going to be, yeah, I'm hoping it's not 2-1 to them, it's 2-1 to us. I'm hoping. Fingers crossed. Come on, Norwich. One last goodbye to Angler Square then. This is Sovereign House, by the way, which was part of the HM stationery office. They moved here from London in the 60s. And yeah, this place sort of closed down in 96. I remember good times in this place, honestly. There's a cinema here, shops here. I used to work at one of the shops for 3 years. And then we're forced to close because of demolition work. So yeah, it's going to be sad when it's gone, isn't it, guys? So bye, Angler Square. And yeah, hello, Carrow Road. Let's go. And here we are at Carrow Road, just over there. We won't be in my seat today because the upper balcony is shut. So for some reason they're shutting the upper tiers. So we're in the Jeffrey Watland stand today. So we're close to the pitch, if I remember rightly. So let's go. All right, I'm in. I'm actually close to the dugout, guys. And I got a pie. We got a chicken one today. I know this is a good one, so yes, gonna enjoy this. Come on. Here's my view, guys. We're actually, look, there's the dugout right there. Here we go, guys. Here they come. Not a full house tonight. Lots of gaps, as you can see. There's the Southampton fans. Come on, Norwich. Let's get a win tonight.
However, it's time to do what you do with the oldest and greatest football song in the world. 3, 2, 1.
Kick it off! Southampton! Have a little struggling. Keep it low, swing it rush. All the way of time. On the ball, city. Never mind the danger, steady on. That's your chance. Oh, score City! 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 And here we go. Come on, Norwich. Go on, boys. to Southampton. Yay! Come on, from the free kick. Ooh! First chance for Norwich there. Another good chance. Ooh, bounced. Oh, come on. Oh. Watch out. No, what are you doing? Oh, thank you, Grimshaw. Come on. Oh, God. Yes, what a tackle! Hey, well done, Grimshaw. Come on, Norwich. Oh! Oh! That went far away. Come on. Come on, shoot! Oh! Come on! No, 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 no! Hey! Woo! No, 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 no! Kenny McLean! Oh no! What a shot, oh! Jesus Christ! 1-0 down already. Just few minutes before half time, 42nd minute. Very. Oh my word, they are lucky not to get a second. Jesus Christ, we're bad at. What is with near half time? The last few minutes before half time, they're always bad. What's going on? Half time, guys. 1-0 to Southampton. A bit of boos as they left. Half time, guys. 1-0 to Southampton. Can't say it's a great game, but a decent performance, I think, from Norwich. So been some good moments in the game, but what is with us and conceding just before half time, I don't know. We did it against Middlesbrough, we're doing it again. But yeah, second half coming up, guys. Here we go then, guys. Second half, Norwich to kick off. Let's hope we equalise and take it to a penalty shootout, eh? Nah. Score 2 and win, please.
Norwich City substitution replacing number 13, assist for this scoring. Number 24, Jofron McCarver.
Yeah, McCarver. And here we go. Come on, Norwich. Sing it up, lads. Come on! Come on! Yes! Come on, corner! City! Oh, from the corner. Come on. Oh, my word! Stop! Shoot! Oh, no! Oh, no. Please don't let him get 2. They're getting dangerous. Dangerously close. That's it. Close them out. 2-0 Southampton. It's another 2 goals for the away team. Come on! Ah! Why are we so poor? Oh no. It's going to be 3 now, isn't it? Passing around. Here we go, 3. No, well done, kept that one out. God, Slot, get in there. Oh. Oh! Nothing.
Substitution for Norwich City, replacing number 29, Esther Franklin. Number 19, Papa Amadou Diallo.
What a chance that was.
Come on! Press! Something yourself!
Oh my word! We are awful! We are awful today!
What a bollocks!
I agree. And they are happy. We are really fed up. Everyone is starting to leave. Jesus. We got like, we're on the 82nd minute. Making changes, but I think it's too late. 3-0, guys. Can't believe how terrible we are. 17,000 there today. To be honest, yeah, I'd rather go home and watch this. Look how bad we are. Look. Can we play you every week? They're saying. Just make a 4, yeah, go make a 4. No. Jesus Christ, so easy. This is as bad as watching a Hoffer Up team. 4 minutes of this rubbish left, guys. Oh no. Dude, this is it, guys. Nothing's really improved in the 4 minutes. Nothing's really happened at all. The last minute. Are we going to get consolation somehow? Nope, that is it. Booze. Deary me, guys. That was appalling. Well, that was terrible, guys. I wish I didn't pay 12 quid for that. Absolute awful. That was even worse than the Middlesbrough game. Oh. Awful seats as well. I did not like my seat. No leg room. Awful. I'm going back to the Barclay, mate. Oh, if you did like this, maybe if you're a Southampton fan, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.